Here the question is, if the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus a plus 1 into x plus b are 2 and minus 3, then find the value of a and b. We know that the sum of roots is equal to alpha plus beta, and product of roots is equal to alpha beta, that is equal to minus b by a and c by a, that we already studied. Given polynomial is x square plus a plus 1 into x plus b. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to a plus 1, and c is equal to b, and the roots are given as 2 and minus 3. First we need to find the sum of roots, that is alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus b by a. So here b is minus of a plus 1 divided by a is 1, and given that the roots are 2 and minus 3, that is 2 plus minus 3 is equal to minus a plus 1, that is minus 1 is equal to minus a minus 1, that is equal to a is equal to 0. So we get a is equal to 0. Now we need to find the product of root, that is equal to alpha beta, that is equal to minus c by a. Here c is equal to b and a is equal to 1. Given that the roots are 2 into minus 3 is equal to b by 1, that's equal to b is equal to minus 6. Hence the final answers are a is equal to 0 and b is equal to minus 6. These are the final answer. That's all in this video, dear children. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video.
Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. Hit that bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Like and share if you found this helpful. Your support helps us grow and reach more students. Leave a comment below with your math questions. Check out our video suggestions on the right. Together, let's conquer CBSE Maths.